Custom-built home 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 ESF with 2-car attached garage. 1 owner. Quiet cul-de-sac location, views and oversized lot. Open floor plan with room to grow. Covered porch. Double door entry opens to a dramatic foyer with 30-foot ceilings. Light and bright. Spacious living room and formal dining room. Kitchen with breakfast room which opens to the backyard, deck and family room. Large family room with a toasty gas fireplace and wall of glass opening to the covered patio and wrap-around backyard. Main level also has a bedroom, full bath, laundry room and direct access to the 2-car garage. Your upper level has an open stairway, the master retreat, with a walk-in closet, rooftop view deck and ensuite bathroom. The 2 additional bedrooms open to the huge second deck also with panoramic views and mirrored closet doors. Third bathroom is located on the second